beautiful darlings, welcome to EDWIGEHV mode, where I share all things fabulous. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is EDWIGEHV, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my new look, my new hair for spring summer, kindly sponsored by Hairvivi. Thank you so much. This is very different. I barely come on camera looking like this. I'm going to be styling this gorgeous babe that you're gonna see. You should be seeing it on the screen right now. This hair is absolutely stunning. The box comes beautifully packaged, perfect for gifting. This is the wig right here, beautiful brown color. It's a 13x6 HD lace, absolutely stunning. Look at that. It has been pre-plucked and bleached to match my skin tone. I cannot wait to try this on. And this is a glueless wig, and it also contains an elastic band here ready for you to put on. You can adjust it here according to the size of your head. This wig is ready to wear straight from the box. All you have to do is unbox and cut the lace off. If you're always on the go, I completely recommend this because all you have to do is cut off the lace. So, ooh, honey, I see you looking at me. Honestly, this hair is already, like I told you earlier, it comes ready for you to wear, and wow, perfection or what. Loving it. Comment down below and let me know what you think. If you want to shop this exact same hair, I will leave all the details in the description box alongside the discount code on the screen and down below for your reference to shop this exact wig, okay? So I'm just going to use it like that. And the good thing about Hairvivi is that they actually provide all the accessories that you need. So I'm just going to go ahead and flatten my baby hairs to allow a smooth looking hairline. So just like so. And I'm going to go ahead and do it on the other side. Because you guys know that I have a very funny hairline. Honestly, so annoying. Because I'm extra, I'm gonna go ahead and cut some baby hairs, just a little bit though, but obviously the wig comes ready, you don't have to do anything to it. I'm just gonna take some mousse to help style the hair. A headscarf, or these are actually tights. This is just gonna help the hair to stay down because I obviously added some mousse on it, but I just want it to be a little bit more flat here. I don't know what I've put on my hairbrush, guys, so let me just use this comb. Okay, I think we're actually done here. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my wax at the top. This is just gonna help with the flyaways, and we're ready to go. And voila, now I'm about to go ahead and take off the headscarf. The headband. What do you guys think about this color? It's literally, ooh, it's giving, babe. It's really different to everything that I've done before. FYI, Hairvivi offers free shipping and free returns, and they also ship within 48 hours of placing your order. So ladies, run over there to get your wigs. They have plenty of styles, okay? It's not just this, they have so many different styles. I've had the blonde wig from them, a black one, and now this one, which I absolutely love. It's just giving me summer vibes. This is a side part, which I love, but you can also wear it middle part if you like, because as you can see, it's HD lace and you can style it whichever way you want. So let's go ahead and take this off. Oh, voila. Let's do the test now. Can you see? No glue. Absolute no glue. Like so. So my darlings, I highly recommend you trying out this wig. If you're not happy, don't worry. Hairvivi offers a free shipping and free returns. They also ship the items within 48 hours, which is amazing. So definitely check them out. I'll leave my discount code here on your screen and also down below for your reference. Once again, thank you so much to Hairvivi for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, where I share all things fabulous too.